The reason we call it 32 is because it adds up to 32 points. Right? You want to keep your count to see how close to 32 you can get. 32 is the perfect score. So you've got 4 shots that are a catch and shoot from the elbow. So it's going to be you step up, catch and shoot. Now footwork is on the catch. Working with somebody, the pass is important. Last thing I want to do is catch the ball here, top, shoot. What we want to do is focus on footwork so that it's here. Footwork's done as I catch the ball.
Squared up on the catch. Squared up ready to shoot.
Okay. So from this way, footwork's on the catch. Okay. On the catch. Attack, top. Come up here. Footwork's on the catch. See I got it down here? Roll on the catch. That's what I want. Right at the shot, right? On the catch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.7. 8. And the next one, catch the ball, make a move, pull up. 4 pull-ups. How many points? 16. Next 4 shots, catch and shoot out of the 3. Even if you're not a 3-point shooter, you need to know your range. You need to learn range and work on it. Same thing, footwork on the catch. Footwork on the catch. Right? Not after the catch. If I catch the ball, what's that? Travel. Also known as perfectly legal in most JV levels. But it won't be when we get to varsity, right? We're going to get it right now. 4 3-point shots. Anywhere on the arc, you want to move. Don't pass it until you get a target. Hit the target. Okay? That's 28. How do we get to 32? 4 free throws.
Yeah.
So we go for a perfect score. We go for a perfect score, right? Keep your count, improve on it each time. But now here's part of the drill. Like I said, you can't go through the motions. Consistency in your shot is what's going to make your shot consistent. So when we take this, if we go through the motions, slow, easy, set shot, versus catch the ball on the move. Get a game condition shot, right? Game condition, move. Everything's going to be a game condition shot. Slowing down and relaxing on is the 4 free.